How do we further strengthen? Well, we can talk about it. Are we actually do that? I'm glad we're doing that for the last hour. Well, we know everything's special about FRC. It's really special. It builds humans. We know that. Oh, that's my neighborhood.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. But that's also a strong community here throughout the province, represented in that one picture. And there are some interesting aspects of community building principles. Like the fundamental human principles, they apply, and you can actually scientifically study this, what builds a community. And love is one of the things that underlies, say, gracious professionalism and cooperation. We fundamentally love each other, and we're running out of time, so look at that! You can read really fast, can't you? If you like the slideshow, I can give it to you.
Great stuff. For those of you who do want to read the slideshow, it's going to be up on the Maple Kiddos website. We'll post it publicly on the server, and we'll also update you guys who use Slack. Thank you very much, William, for your time.
Really great to meet you.